Viewer discretion advised. This video may contain strong language or distressing content. This upload is intended for educational and documentary purposes under applicable public records law and fair use guidelines.
Yes, sir.
Is there a reason why you're popping the door open like that?
I don't have a window that works. Is there a reason that you're pulling me over?
Yeah, absolutely there's a reason why I'm pulling you over. For one thing, inclement weather, you don't have your lights on. Two things, you're not wearing your seatbelt.
It's daylight. I don't need the lights. And it's not weather. It's not raining.
Oh, this is inclement?
It's not raining.
Okay, I'm not arguing with you. I'm telling you why I'm pulling you over. Give me your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance.
No, call your supervisor. Why?
Excuse me?
Call your supervisor. Why did you pull me over?
77, 35. I'm proper driver. I've already told you.
Why did you pull me over?
Step out of the vehicle.
No.
Step out of the vehicle. 25 seconds. For 9-4, the driver just slammed the door and locked it.
Call your supervisor.
Yep. 25 seconds. If anybody responded, come in from Commonwealth, block the vehicle, please.
Well, I'm coming west on Commonwealth. I'll be there in a second.
Keep your hands where I can see them, sir. Yep, my camera's on too. I've already told you. Okay. Okay. Right now you're under arrest for resisting. You understand? You're under arrest for resisting. The longer you take us on, the worse it's going to be. Keep your hands where I can see them, sir. Okay. Sir, this is your last warning to open the vehicle and exit before we're going to break the window. Open the door and exit or we are going to break the window. Open the door and exit or we are going to break the window. No, he's under arrest. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting.
Can you unlock the door and step out?
Can you talk to me though?
I will. Can you step out?
Because you don't even know the whole situation.
You're being done. There's a traffic stop being conducted. You're required to comply.
And I'm required to actually.
So,
Can I talk?
yes. Correct.
He gave no lawful reason.
Huh?
He gave no lawful reason why he pulled me over.
Okay. So what did he ask for when he I guess talked to you?
When he pulled me over, he
Yeah.
opened my door because my window don't work. Right?
Okay.
And then I said, so what I did wrong?
Yeah.
He said, well, for one, your headlights are off under this weather. I'm like,
Okay.
there's multiple people headlights.
Okay, that's still a legitimate reason to pull somebody over.
There's no rain.
It doesn't matter. You're still required to have headlights on. Huh? Yeah, when you step out of the car, I will. Huh? All right, go for it.
Exit the vehicle. Show me your hand.
Here.
Here, station 33 at 16.1 hours.
Let's go, bro.
What is your reason?
Step out, step out.
What is your reason?
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. Stop fighting. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm resisting.
Hands behind your back.
What's wrong with you? 25, 75.
I was putting my hands behind my back.
Ain't no talking now, man. Ain't no talking.
I'm fucking talking this shit, bro. I'm fooling, bro. What's going on, man?
You're under arrest. That's what's going on.
No, man.
Yes, bro.
You don't
Yes.
have a lawful reason, bro. You gonna throw my phone like that, bro?
Yeah, I'm
no
gonna take it
talking
off
now,
you,
man.
bro.
And I'm just trying to have a regular conversation with y'all, bro.
You just gotta see what the
When they ask you to step out of the vehicle, you should have So your partner didn't even ask.
Marijuana in his right pocket.
Yes, it is.
So why close the door if you see him pull up?
Because, man, what you mean? He talking about arresting me and stuff, bro. I didn't do nothing
It's
wrong.
called resisting, idiot.
I didn't do nothing wrong, bro.
I don't know.
Can you back me up to the car so I can lean up? Sit up. You done bust my shit, bro.
25 seconds. You can start rescue. 1067. Approximately 30-year-old Bravo Mike. Laceration on the lip.
2570.
I'm gonna go around and get this car. Okay. Here. Take a second. All right, slide up. They will probably.
46 comes back to
Yeah, I'll pull them up. Do you have anything hidden on you? Before you say anything else, you got to follow right to the United States Constitution. You have the right to remain silent. You need to shake hands against the report. You have the right to talk and attorney before we ask you questions. Tell the attorney any questions. If you do not afford attorney, won't be appointed to call for any questions against it. It's not to answer questions now. You're right to stop and your time with the sole attorney. You understand your right? All right. All right, spread your legs a little bit. You got nothing right here? All right, lean against the car. You can kick off one shoe, okay? Just kick off one, use the other one. You don't gotta stand here in your sock feet. You got those in a search shot real quick. Now your other foot. All right, let me get your cuffs right, okay? I'm gonna put this pair on, take the other pair off. Have you ever been arrested before?
For fighting,
That was here in town? Okay. You never been arrested anywhere else?
No, sir. No college and everything. No business.
Let me fix those cuffs that are on you.
No, it's good.
Never mind. At least for now, just take them put it in your car. Sure. Connie's gonna probably go to the hospital. Well, I'll go do nationwide. He claims he got arrested for fighting when he was 12, and that's been it. So, into contact.
Okay, we'll call back tomorrow.
You good? Yeah. Let's go handle this boss. All right, now. Hey, let's take this one as evidence because it shows.
Absolutely.
All right. Thanks, Will.
Yeah, man.
Kyle, do you mean?
Yeah.
We can take the Kyle.
100%.
He was filming?
Hey, can you put them up?
Yeah. A lot of flat sticks. From you? God damn, you see that knife?
Yeah,
That's one of the biggest concerns.
and you see what's right there on the seat?
Who's?
Narcan.
Oh, yeah, 100%.
It's coming from West Compound.
Hey, is this him? Pass that off to them.
Probably.
Hey, Donnie. Is it this guy?
249, 77 second 9 Romeo 4.
Alright, there you go. You want it? No? Alright.
249.
Yeah, it's his ID. Mr. William McNeel Yeah, that's probably It's gonna put on the top.
Yes, 531, checking 77.
Oh, test all this.
Yes, 531, checking 77. Yes, 531, 77.
He's got Narcan. Yeah. You make me think it's not meth. But you run him? Yeah, no local history. It's felon section that they conceal weapons. Oh yeah. Because he was actively concealing his hand or not in his left. The big old knife, or which one? Which one was he concealing?
The big knife.
The big knife.
I'm willing to say that's an edible. Do you have any marijuana kits? I don't know if I have any marijuana kits.
I might. I think I do, actually. Never actually used a marijuana kit. It's funny. Interesting. I think Miller already said he went through all this.
76, clear for refuge pursuit.
Following the incident, William McNeel Jr. pleaded guilty to charges of resisting an officer without violence and driving with a suspended license. A reminder to our viewers, while those specific charges have been resolved, it is a foundational pillar of our legal system that everyone is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law regarding any further or pending legal matters. As for Officer Bowers, the state attorney's office cleared him of criminal wrongdoing, though JSO Internal Affairs did issue a written reprimand for documentation omissions. A federal civil rights lawsuit filed by McNeel's legal team remains ongoing, but I want to hear from you. If you've previously seen the viral clip that circulated online, did watching Officer Bowers' body camera footage change your perspective on this incident? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to keep up with more body cam footage, public records, and in-depth analysis of law enforcement encounters, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Real incidents, real officers, real patrol footage.